Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add or type text in a PDF comment box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a PDF file and it's the existing comment box, and I'll type text on this comment box. Simply double click on this comment box and see this mouse cursor now showing here, and type your text and select it. As format option enable, and you can change text color. See this, you can align and this comment box fill color, this one, and see this. You can say this text style uppercase and its font style and its character spacing and this word line spacing, so on. Also type text this comment box. Double click on this comment box and show this mouse cursor and type text, new text, and so on. I will add new comment. This is text box comments and is add note and see this, and double click on this notes and type text. Yeah, and similar you can change in comment box text color and format it. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.